everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Zoom virtual background so that you can use it in Canva. So let's get started. So I've opened the Canva app, and when you scroll to the side you will see the Zoom wallpaper or whatever that's called, Zoom virtual background. Here it is. So I'm just going to click it. You can create one scratch or you can just choose one of these. It has very cool options. They even have videos and all of that, probably short videos, and you can just choose that. I'm just gonna choose this. It seems fun. You can change the text in here and change the elements, change the color of the background and all of those. I am just gonna change the text right in here. You can write your name or your whatever. You can write the date or something like that. I've written C for Crafty here to identify yourselves, and that's how you do it. And when you're done, just click this button and you'll see save as image. Just click on that and you can use that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.